Yeah, so I've just tied up my little rod. I've just got a little soft plastic with
Oh, no, it might be a crop.
15-pound leader, 10-pound line. My big rod, I've got a Riptide floating stick bait, Nomad Riptide floating stick bait with 60-pound leader and 50-pound braid. Bags all set. How to use this lure if you want me to, or you can just carry it if you want. So yeah, I got this yesterday. I don't know how it's gonna go, but hoping to hook up to big trevally. That's the plan. So that flies far. Alright, this is gonna be good. I don't know, should be good. I'll figure it out along the way. There we go. See him there? Ouch, spiked me. Alright, I'll just let him go. There. Just walking along, found some fishing line. It's a bit tangled up in there, but I'm gonna grab it and put it in the bag. Oh, that wasn't very nice. It's not much, but everything helps. Don't want to kill the turtles. Try not to damage my knife. This might be a bit harder than I thought to get out. Pardon? What's in water? Killed turtle. There's a lot of rubbish at Archer's Point because those boats out there, most of the rubbish from here is from like, it's all in different languages, so pretty sure it comes off those big shipping container boats out there. Mum just caught this little cod. You're going to be catching a lot of these today, Mum. That's the main fish. Whoa. Oh, sorry, buddy. Yeah, well, here's it going off now. Yeah. Look at these pebbles. This is cool. So Mum just caught a little wrasse.
Yeah, who am I looking out in the deep water?
Whoa. See this? Just put the thingy on the goggles, just try and be careful with the tip. See? The wrasse are really pretty fish. They're like tusk fish, just super beautiful. We'll get this lure out and I'll try and get him up close with the camera. Carefully.
You put the thing on your head.
Yeah, I just put the goggles on. That should be good. Should be able to see it now. So, hopefully he doesn't bite me. Chill, chill. Whoa. See those teeth, Mum?
Is that one of those blue bones?
Yeah, so is the GoPro facing it, Mum?
I think you could tilt it down just a little more.
Like that?
No, hold it out.
I'm just gonna take the GoPro off. Try not to get bit. Look at this pretty fish. Try and do an underwater release. I'm gonna get him in quick because he's been out for like a little bit. The water's not as clean here, there's a bit more coral spawn in the water, but there's a little bit of patchy reef, so I'm gonna have a look in here. Crays. Ready? Rod, shirts off, got in there, and I'm just going to swim out there and see if there's any crays or anything. Yeah, I'm going to go in now. Coral trout right here. Another coral trout. Along, and look what I found washed up on the beach. Big dragnet. This probably came off a boat, but I don't like nets. Just wiping out big chunks of the ocean at once. Look at that, it's massive. That is what I just had to walk on. Well, it's a little dump here from stuff that's washed up. Jerry can. Looks like there's like a blow up mattress there. Tarp. Someone tried to make like a little teepee. Just a heap of rubbish. Look at all this rope. It's a lot of rope. Sucks we can't get it because it's like, you know, we just walked like, this is going to be like a 2k walk, and all of this stuff is very big and heavy, so we can't really take it back. So, I made it to the beach. Here's the coconut beach here, little bay area. But before I go in and sit down for a bit, I'm just going to go out here and flick along between the sand and the rocks, because I don't know, it looks pretty good just there. So that's my plan. And then I'll go in there and just sit down and be lazy and eat coconuts. So yeah, first cast into the bay, and I smacked my lure on a rock. That wasn't good. I hope that's a reef out there, not just rock. Oh, hooked up. It's coming this way. Alright, that was pretty easy to get in. Pretty little fish for this, I mean, small fish for this lure. It's a pretty big lure. Careful, buddy. First cast into this little bay. Little flask, I think they're called. Careful. Just put him in here. Chill out, bro. So, I'm pretty sure that this is a flask and they have to be 25 centimeters. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep this guy. There we go, hooks out. Hopefully this works. Perfect. Just give it one more little tap just in case. Then I'll bleed him. Get the stuff and it's rubbish. Wow, that creek stinks. That creek stinks. Yeah. There's literally a fishing rod like sticking out of the ground. Yeah, there's a couple little trees that I'll climb. How's that? Well, just fell down a hole. Pig rooting? Yeah, pig tracks. Pigs have been here. Found a fishing rod. That spot looks scary. It's probably a big crocodile in there. So I'm gonna stay away from that bit of the. I'm gonna stay away from the creek because that looks kind of dangerous. Look at this rod. It's a Kevin Ryan 6 to 12 kilo. It's weird. But so far, haven't seen sign of people on this beach, but this is disgusting. Wonder what that's from. Big hole. But this is like, look at all of this rubbish. A little high. That's good. Gonna grab some stuff and make a fire. Yeah. Some firewood. Grab some more. Do for firewood. We've given up on the fire making for now. I'm gonna try and get a coconut and then make a fire. And then, yeah. Because the fish is only like 10 minutes old, so it's... I don't know how well you can see it, but there's a big eagle up there. He might come back around soon, I'll try and show you. So, Mum's got that coconut open.
You might have to get the fishing knife to cut the last bit.
Yep. We'll grab this knife to get out the... On the top of the coconut there's 3 little holes and there's one weak hole. That's where you get the juice out. And then you open the coconut. Do you want me to do it or? For today, I wouldn't even cut a bit of fishing line with this knife. Now I know some coconuts with it. Going on. Any good?
It's a goodie, mate.
It's a bit warm, but it's still good.
That's the bottom of the coconut.
Yeah, I know, but it's harder. The bottom, like, this is really soft up here, so it kind of there's lots of fibres and it catches the chopper and it just bruises it more and more. But this one's harder, so fibres are harder and it cuts easier. Yeah. See that? And then just kind of mashes it. But then with fully brown coconuts, it's the same both ways. Can't really open it this way. Just a second. If only there was a way to cool these drinks down. Not very nice for the chopper, but
No, it's cool. Right. There you go, now just cut that bit. Don't lose any of that precious juice.
get some sand off that. This coconut's quite hard. Just I'll get the other knife. So I was lazy, so Mum lit the fire. I went and got some firewood there. Mum lit the fire. It's going well now. Here's the fish. I just went down and washed him. Probably can't see him because of the sun, but look at those teeth. Yeah, so that's the fish. So I didn't have my dive knife, so I had to take a big chunk out of his head because I'd feel bad just killing him because I reckon it's pretty inhumane. So I'm just gonna chuck him on the side here. I didn't even gut him. Like, I didn't gut him, so we'll just try and stay away from that area. I'm just gonna stick him there and he'll cook for a bit. Could you watch him, Mum? I might go for another little fish. Alright. Turtle right here in front of me. Just swimming along the top of the reef here. Hopefully he doesn't take off, but yeah. Well, almost fell in. I don't know if you could see him, but he's swimming out that way now. Keep falling over. I should have cut his gills instead of breaking him, because when I broke them, not much blood came out. So there's the head and whatever I ate. Mum's got the rest of the fish. There's a heap of these over at the main beach. Oops, rod. Try and get him out without hurting him. To show you guys. Put you down. And then this rock here. Look at this star. Oh, there's underneath this rock actually. It's a cool little starfish. It's a really weird one too. Come on, buddy. I think this dude's quite big. Or is it fast? Can't get him out. Here he is. Pretty weird looking, squishy little dudes. Like octopus crossed starfish. Yeah, trevallies. They can't grab it properly though. They're not grabbing it. Alright, come on, come on. Like 5 of them just down here. Damn it. They didn't get it. That was crazy, they just went crazy out there. Hopefully there's more. Oh yeah, there they are. Come on, just grab it. They don't grab it properly. Oh come on, go for it, don't die. Come on. I'm starting to get sick of it now, so I'm gonna just pull it up and wind it quickly across the top like this and see if they grab it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That worked a bit better then. They're not used to that yet, so hopefully this time it works. Just gonna wind it fast and get it to the top. Just flick it across the top like this. Alright, only one little one followed then. I think they're all leaving now. Come on, come on, come on. Damn it, they're all gone. Not the back. They're not big trevally, but they're really having a go at it. Just not. What should I do? What should I do? Should I just I'm just gonna twerk it like this. Yep. Yep. For such a small trevally, this dude's fighting pretty hard. Right, come on. Maybe I could get a double hookup. Look at all of them. Look at all of these guys. See them all down there? There's so many trevally. Alright, I'll get this guy. Up here. Finally, these guys have taken so long to grab this lure properly, but just started like slowly twerking it. Don't come out. He's hooked pretty well. Here we go. This is exactly what I wanted to catch at Arches today. It's only a little fella, but I'm gonna quickly try and film him before my GoPro dies. Look at this fella. That hooked me. It's only a little trevally. I'm gonna put yous on the oysters here. Hopefully you can see me. Oh, that looks like it's working. Damn it, why does the GoPro do that? Please don't stab me. Alright. There you go. Look at this guy. Just a little trevally, but it's got the lure. It's a cool little fish. These guys are so strong. I'm gonna try and unhook him without getting hooked. Oh, that hook just came out so easy. Right, the GoPro is super low battery. I'm gonna do an underwater release of this guy. Putting them on my chest. Fun. That little guy. It's only a small one. This one's bigger. Oh no, don't go that way. I'm gonna stop filming the flat because I want to get him in. I think I got the biggest one in the group because look at all the others following them around. Oh, they stopped now, but there was a heap more. Oh, this is sweet. Nice trevally, my first decent sized trevally here. Leslie's just about to die. Try and get him up. Look at this fish. He's still a small trevally, but he's big for me. He's the biggest trevally that I've caught so far, and he fought really hard. So, I'll get the hook out and get him back. Got my personal best trevally, and then beat my personal best again within 5 minutes. Oh, actually, I think it was the first cast that I did. I got this guy, so. Ready? A few coconuts for the trip back. If we get thirsty because we drank all our water. Eagle's got something. This is salt. Ouch, that stings. Got lots of cuts, and this is hot salt. So